A helicopter carrying a group of pilgrims headed for Vaishno Devi crashed in Katra near Jammu just a short while ago. 7 people, including the woman pilot, have been killed in that crash. The helicopter belonged to the privately run Himalayan Heli Services, which also runs choppers for the Char Dham Yatra. Tracking that story for us is my colleague Zafar Iqbal. Zafar, initial reports seem to suggest that the crash may have been caused by bad weather conditions, fog in particular. Is there any confirmation of that?
Well, what we know is that it was a return sortie from Sanjichat to Katra. There were 7 people in the chopper, including the women pilot. The chopper crashed when it had taken off, and all the 6 pilgrims were killed, and the pilot also lost his life. Now, what we are told that the pilot tried to avoid a build-up area and tried to land in a safe place. There could be some engine failure, some technical problems, or it could be due to some other reasons, but those are still to be investigated. But for now, the chopper has in fact crashed in Katra. It's a very tragic news. Remember, there are many people who use the chopper services. It's generally done online booking. Though there is a counter for senior citizens in Katra, and a lot of people take advantage of the chopper services. And this sort of a tragedy has happened after many years. The choppers take off generally from Katra to Sanjichat. It's just a few minutes of chopper ride, but this was a return sortie that met with this accident. For the moment, the rescue teams have reached the spot. The police and other senior officers of the administration have reached the spot, and the chopper service have been suspended temporarily. For now, the situation, we're told, is under control, but obviously all these people who were on board on this chopper have lost their life, including the women pilot. Neha?
Right, Zafar, as you mentioned there, a very large number of people go to the Vaishno Devi shrine every year. These chopper services that are now operated have also become very popular. Does this in any way raise questions really about the safety of these chopper rides?
Well, this is an incident that's happened after many years. Now, what could be the reason for this incident? Whether it was a technical failure, whether it was due to some other reasons, that's not clear. But of course, a lot of people take advantage of the chopper service, particularly people who are old, who are infirm. They use the chopper services. Generally, the booking is done online, and there is a counter for senior citizens in Katra as well. This is an incident that's happened after a pretty long time, after many years. It needs to be investigated what exactly happened, though on the whole it's a safe a safe mode of transportation. Pilgrims do take chopper service besides other modes of going to the holy shrine, but then this incident has happened. For now, all the rescue teams and people who are really experts in the field have gone to the spot to investigate the causes for this chopper crash, though it's caused a lot of panic in the area. A lot of people have come to the chopper site, and they're taking pictures and also trying to find out more about the pilgrims, their names and their identities and the places they belong to. Neha?
Right, Zafar, we still don't know, as you said, anything about the identity of those pilgrims who've lost their lives. But what we do know is that it was a woman pilot who, in fact, was also in this chopper, who has lost her life as well.
Well, that's right. It was a women pilot who was there on the chopper, and also there were 6 other pilgrims. These are choppers which are used by small groups of people, generally people belonging to one family. They sort of book their tickets and go on to the choppers. There are many people who, in fact, do these online bookings months in advance, because there's a lot of rush of people. Thousands of pilgrims go to Vaishno Devi every day. It's record-breaking amazing yatra every year. It breaks new records, and chopper service is an essential mode of transportation. The people do online bookings and they go to the holy shrine on the choppers, and we're told this time around there was some last minute change in the schedule, and that's why the women pilot was there. Initially it was some other pilot who was supposed to take that take that flight from Katra to Sanjichat and its return, but then the crash has taken place, and we're told that the pilot tried to avoid a build-up area and landed in sort of an open field. As you can see from those pictures also, it's sort of an open ground where the crash has taken place, and all the people who were on board have died in that crash. Now the senior officers are going to the spot.
Right.
Rescue teams have also reached there, and they're trying to initially the fire tenders reached there and they doused the fire and the flames, and now the rescue teams are there and identification of those pilgrims is still in progress.
Right.